Hello guys, what's up? Sergian here. Welcome to our number system lecture series. So in this episode of our lecture series, we're going to discuss how to convert a decimal number to binary number. So the lecture will be delivered in Filipino English language to further assist the learners to grasp the knowledge effectively. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so suppose we're asked to convert 947, a decimal number, into binary. So how do we do that? So 947 base 10, converting that to binary base 2. Okay, so how do we do that? So we're going to perform long division. So we're going to create a vinculum and write 947 here and divide it by 2. So dividing 947 by 2 would then be equal to 473 with a remainder of 1. So paano nakuha yun? So, sa mahabang salita, ganito yun nangyayari. 947 divided by 2. So, 2, 4. So, that would be 8. 14, 7. That would be 14. 7. Okay. And then, to magiging 3. So, we have here 6. So, kaya tayo merong remainder 1. At ito po, iyon. Okay. So, 473. And then we will continue to do this process again and again hanggang sa makuha natin na mangyari ay less than 2 yung magiging factor ng ating dividendo or yung ating dividend. Okay. So we divide natin siya ulit by 2. So 473 divided by 2, so that would be 236 with a remainder of 1. And then divide natin siya ulit by 2. Okay, so that would be 118 without the remainder. So lagay natin dito 0. So 118, divide natin siya by 2. So that is 59. Meron tayong remainder na 0. And then 59, divide natin siya by 2. So that would be equal to 29 with a remainder of 1. Yung 29, pag divide natin siya by 2. So that would be 14 with a remainder of 1. Yung 14, divide natin siya by 2. Magiging 7 with a remainder of 0. And yung 7, divide natin siya by 2, that would be 3 with a remainder of 1. And then yung 3, divide natin siya by 2, that would be 1 with a remainder of 1. Yung 1 ay less than 2 na. So therefore, hindi na natin siya i-divide further, but rather considered as remainder na siya. So gagawin natin ngayon, babasahin natin siya from bottom pataas. So therefore, the conversion of 947 base 10, so this number, 2 base 2, would then be equal to 111, 011, 0011 base 2. And that is now the conversion or the number in decimal. So later on, I'm going to create a separate lecture on how to verify your answers using your calculator. So let's have another example. So let's say we want to convert 181 base 10 to base 2. So how do we do that? So same procedure. So 181 divided by 2. So ilan? So that would be 90. Meron tayong remainder na 1. 90 divided by 2 would then be equal to 45. Wala tayong remainder. Yung 45, i-divide ulit natin siya by 2. So that would be equal to 22, meron tayong remainder na 1. Kasi 22 times 2 is 44. 45 minus 44 is equals to 1. Yung 22, i-divide natin siya by 2. So that would be 11. Wala tayong remainder. Yung 11, i-divide natin siya by 2. So that would be 5. Meron tayong remainder na 1. And then yung 5, i-divide natin siya by 2. So that would be 2 at meron tayong remainder na 1. And then yung 2, pag divide natin siya ulit by 2, so that is simply 1 at wala tayong remainder. So same process ng ginawa natin kanina, we're going to read that from bottom to top. So therefore, the conversion of 181 to binary would then be equal to 1011, 0101 base 2. And that is now the answer. So let's have another example ulit para lalo kayong mahasa at lalo nyong matutunan yung mga concepts. So let's have another one. So let's say medyo malaki-laking number naman ang gamitin natin. So let's use 2,630. 2,613. Ayan. So 2,613 base 10 converting to base 2. Okay, paano ngayon yan? So same procedure, dividend natin to, divisor natin to. So 2,613 divided by 2. So that would be equal to 1,306. 1,306. Okay, may remainder tayo na 1. So actually, it's a cheat sheet. 1,306 divided by 2. So that would be 653. So wala tayong remainder. So this would be 0. Dividing this again by 2. So that would be 326. With a remainder of 1. 326 divided ulit by 2. So that would be equal to 163 at wala itong remainder. 163, divide natin siya ulit by 2. So that would be equal to 81 with a remainder of 1. Si 81, i-divide natin siya by 2. So therefore 81. So we have here 40 at meron tayong remainder na 1. Si 40, pag divide natin siya by 2, that would be 20. Wala tayong remainder. Si 20, pag divide natin siya by 2, that would be 10. Wala tayong remainder. Si 10, pag divide natin siya by 2, so that would be 5 at wala tayong remainder. Si 5, pag divide natin siya by 2, so that would be 2 at meron tayong remainder na 1. And then si 2, eventually, if we divide that by 2, so that would be 1 at wala tayong remainder. So same process, we're going to read that from bottom pataas. Okay. So the answer would be the conversion of 2,613 from decimal to binary would then be equal to 101, 30, 11, 0101 base 2. And that is now the answer in our sample problem. So nakuha nyo bang lahat yon? So hope nakuha nyo yon. So that concludes this episode of our lecture series, and I hope you learned something new. So if you have something, or if you're having a hard time learning the process in solving these problems, you may repeat the lecture video again and again until you can finally learn how it is done. And if in case you have questions that cannot be answered by just replaying the video, kindly reach out to all of my possible communication medium, and I'm also available synchronously during our class time. So happy learning. See you on the next episode of our lecture series.